In this video, we'll be changing the battery in this Nissan Sentra key fob. All you'll need to get this whole thing done is one CR1620 battery, a small Phillips head screwdriver, this is a number 0, and a flathead screwdriver. If you do not have one of these batteries lying around, make sure you go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. And there's also a 3-button version of this. So I have the 4-button version. If you have the 3-button version, you can still follow along with this video. The process is exactly the same. So the first step is removing this screw on the back. Again, I'll be using a number 0 Phillips head. And if you don't have something at home that is small enough to remove this screw, I will just recommend this little set that I've been using for a couple years now. It's really good. It's just a few dollars on Amazon, and that'll be in the description as well if you need it. Once you have that screw out, you will come over to this opening right on the side there, and we'll switch over to the flathead screwdriver. Just push it down into that area and twist until this starts to open up on the side. And now I'll just go in that opening and just kind of work my way down, twisting until it comes apart. Now I'm going to use the same flathead, or you could also use the Phillips head here. But what we want to do is come in one of these openings. You can see there's a little space in the housing there, or up here. We're just going to try to get under the battery and just lift it up and out of place. This is, once more, a 1620 battery. When you're putting your new CR1620 battery in there, put the positive side down. Just set it in there and push it down. And then we can just put it all back together. So set that on top, squeeze everything back together, and you can just put your screw back in there as well. If you want to test to make sure your battery is in the right position, has juice and everything like that, you can just push and make sure that that light is coming on. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come check us out here on YouTube or at our website, FobBattery.com.